Children, bending ocean Ramisha. Tanya in the dead, Jonah in the well belly, but he never handed. Joe with the level, he must still reach heaven. He will do for you, and I will see yourself for them. Murderer, blood upon your shoulder. Kill I today, you cannot kill I tomorrow. Murder, you inside must see hello. How does it feel to take a life? What's more, you hide from man, but not your conscience. Oh no, you're the readers, I wrote in the wine of violence. Allow yourself to be conquered by the serpent. Why make you disobey the first commandment? Walk through the valley, I fear no pestilence.
Oh yeah, Ashley want to have a trip to Turkey as well, you know. It's a weekend.
Oh no man, but that's the weekend we have a road trip, you know.
Oh, Mother Road.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
Road Jamaica.
Yeah.
Thought it was Congress.
Yeah, but it
Oh.
yeah.
It's two of them. I just noticed that.
Oh.
That was all of them.
I don't think I'm not another one. Yeah, man, what do you like?
Can have overlays over the rear view. I don't like that. I like the rear view. They come in handy though.
There. Can we? Huh? Oh no, this. After every 20 minutes it stops recording. So I'm gonna press the record button. When it stops. So they said David, Linksted, the highway, and then motor stuff.
So the city that you're was saying that we could go on the highway and take motor as well to show you the whole road.
Yo, David, about 56 kilometers before the thing moved. He's on the top it up. It takes very long to move.
When it's up, it's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How do you say?
Yeah. They're rare to see a yellow car.
Why do we use this?
Huh?
You say don't usually for the yellow ones?
It's rare.
Oh,
But yellow always look sporty.
yeah. Would you? America's really naming too much dope. Oh, it's a bullet, but
Yeah. Can't do so much worse than on the road in the middle of the day.
The blue cord. Really, dude?
That's not enough stuff. Just tell him, say, yo, the pin is so and so, and give him a little ticket.
Exactly so.
What's the praise?
True. Then we go downtown, I see man on the road, I take car. Have a machine and say, no sir, we don't never give my card.
Oh dear.
Never.
Don't tell it? No, no.
No, no. Well, I couldn't start to believe it. I didn't bother. But in retrospect, I know some people there must have understand, but I'm not sure. Never agreed with them.
All night long.
No, you go first.
Where's the book?
Press the button after the call.
Open up.
Safe zone.
Oh, see?
Wait,
I guess I'm
Oh,
old. Yeah, you just take a
wait, unemployment.
Huh?
you just
Safe journey.
Press the button and take a card.
Where you pay?
I didn't pay
You
anything.
pay at the end of the
I didn't, yeah, apparently.
Yeah, that
Okay. Okay, that's interesting.
So why if you company tool and you didn't know how much it cost, and then you think you had enough money?
Ah.
That's the $1 million twist.
Yes.
Try it now, too.
Probably turn it back.
They would turn back, no matter.
They can't turn it back. Can't get them pay the toll there too.
True. Well, I guess you live here.
Then I did.
Oh, then?
Me to watch the it's 80 here, so no? Right, David?
Huh?
It's 80, no?
80?
Limit.
Is that
Oh.
housing scheme?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a payment assistance.
Okay.
We were complaining that the highway built through the housing scheme and the Malayans.
So those are sound barriers.
They don't have a sound barrier. But them said people
It actually
can.
works.
I know it.
They say it don't work that well. And then they said they're going to put up more
It's intruded in privacy. Tourists would come out and steer.
and take pictures.
They have to-
No matter. remember.
They know them just themselves.
Yeah.
Can't depend on it.
I mean, I club myself here too.
We're gonna do it first.
Oh, look at that.
Weird.
It will pop up when it's hard, huh?
Interesting and very exciting. I'm looking forward to developing my communication strategies and stuff.
Did you do your first degree here? A community research group like that because they don't go to one country.
Yes, actually, this is my second proposal. The public sector. And one design and implement a communication-based intervention to increase labor productivity. It was because, well, top management, they had approved it and they were like, simply welcoming someone about. When it's just up to middle management nowadays, the communication was calling and emailing almost every day and no response. So it was very challenging. I thought they would have been much more accommodating what they were doing. So, and eventually once I decided to go to back, so I just talked to the supervisor and they, I want to switch to government. So okay, it's good.
Sometimes it's need to these companies.
That's true.
And even in the research, like, from my final year project, well, not the final year project, there was a case that we had to do, and everybody had to go to an industry in Jamaica. So I got through very easily at Jamaica Government. I just spoke to one guy, and he was like the operations manager. So, but other people have just struggle to come outside and just get in, you know, get that approval and this and that.
You just had to know somebody inside to do it. But then,
Or you didn't even know the person personally, you know, but top management, they can't talk to the people.
yeah.
But they tend to be more person than anything else.
But then apart from that too, I was able to realize that I didn't actually have sufficient data for me to run the study, and then that would have meant that I would have had to go in and create the baseline data, which is too much, too time consuming, too costly. So that's the thing.
I'd love to do research. Let's go now.
But I'm happy with this one because the police, national road traffic people, national safety people, all of them sent me data. And they were like willing to just give me like 10. So I was like, oh my god.
It's much easier here.
Yeah, and they were so encouraging because they're looking for researchers to help them. Yeah. So I'm a bit so well at it that when I got a job line up for me one time, it was choose to stay in Jamaica.
Well, it seems everybody here go more than 100.
Huh?
All the drivers here going more than 100.
Yeah. There's a trick, you know. You just drive behind somebody. So if a police.
Oh, so if a police stop somebody, they
Yeah,
can
they
stop
stop
them.
the person.
Oh.
So it is.
I'm trying to go over 90.
Just try your best not to be the one in front. Yeah. And if you approach like a bend, just stay in the right lane.
Criminal na dito.
Tricks of the trade. Arcade, they allowed up to 16 kilometers over the limits.
Oh, okay.
But I can't believe, man, them stuff for going at 102 one time.
Oh,
It
did
burned me so much.
and take it?
No, sir.
Oh.
I never took it before.
Oh.
They were about to.
Oh.
That's Dutch and somehow.
Oh.
What a wickedness, though.
Yeah. Because right now I feel I'm going really slow.
Yeah.
I'm going at the 80 that just said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you can buy tickets, right? How much you're feeling? $5 grand.
That's like the lowest.
Yeah.
5 grand. Speeding is 10 grand and up. But we got 10 days.
I'm puzzled. Let's see.
signal for you to slow down, huh? hear it now? Can I hear it?
Well, I live, it's just the youth were replacing that work, you know.
Who's that?
One of the nerds came running
It's like a nerdy post.
Well, they must narrate me or something.
Oh.
First of all, I hear some still at UTech. I don't know what that
Oh,
was.
see?
You know, just need to find out or something.
Oh.
And then, on top of that, it looked like about 12 years old.
Oh my gosh.
But it's supposed to be 25.
Spit in the face.
It's a mix of the birds and the kids. No, no, it
Oh,
was,
Lindsay.
you know, like so good.
You know the way from Linsley though?
Here from what?
You know the way from Linsley?
Yeah.
You're on my Google Maps.
I need to go. I mean, that's a good signal.
This one is the Linsley exit, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good afternoon. How much is it?
380.
This one's the one.
Yes.
There's your intercom.
Huh?
The DTS.
Oh.
Last it at Laura, so
Buwan, ano? Wala si Teddy. Sa right turn, eh?
further? Really, much further than Venezuela? Where you live first? Tobago? Okay. So they usually ferry people across. Oh, okay. Is it expensive? Right now? $50?
TT.
Oh, TT. And it's 17 to 1. 17.
There's no turn on, right? Is it?
Straight.
There's one straight on.
Yeah.
Oh, that is it. You went on the road trip? It depends. Because since you don't go. For me? I need to call the meeting because we're supposed to conduct church service. Weekend of this. What is it? Straight, right?
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty much small lady. I believe she could have been my mother.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, she could have been. But she is single. Single, has no kids, right?
Yeah.
And I learned something new about her. And I was terrified.
Uh-huh.
Like, I just couldn't imagine this woman. I just
Yeah, she's single and have no kids.
I looked, when I was buying her jewelry, right?
Yeah.
And she asked me what is that number 3. So I'm like, oh, it's the on-screen keyboard because my number
Yeah.
and whatever.
Yeah.
Then she was like, oh, you know, I have a laptop that I need to go and fix too. I should probably carry my mitts. And then she's like, well, nah, I don't want nobody she don't want nobody digging up in she computer because she just watch porn.
What?
Oh, okay.
This is me now. I'm like, what the this woman.
And
She does-
Hey,
picking up her
everybody
board.
needs something.
yeah, I mean, you should have the man. What you
She needs,
But
she
then my
needs
mind went
something.
on, oh my god, what shit.
No, man. There's no. What big ass man come on. What should I watch?
Yeah,
Shame.
but if the man have put nothing there, she have put her
Shame,
finger
man.
in it.
Oh
Shame.
gosh. Alright, you never. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Shame, man.
They have some people do it, they just talk everything to anybody.
Images.
Typical mom.
Does it show you the porn show?
I'm surprised she just had put it just so.
Exactly.
Very frank. Very frank.
Well, clearly it's not a secret. She just
Exactly. So might as well she carried over there.
Yes. I don't think they want to watch her porn either.
Exactly.
You're afraid for no.
Grandpa meets grandma.
You're afraid for no.
The wrinkled people edition.
So make sure when you reach her, you don't watch the porn.
Oh God.
Alright.
I hope to be married to her age.
I'm not saying you don't watch the porn.
That
Oh no man.
if I'm married and I'm watching porn, something wrong.
I can't see behind this man.
No, maybe you guys old and wrinkled up, so you want to see a young stud.
No, but
Hey, that could be something she's watching too, you know.
no.
So I don't understand what you're talking about. Grandma, me,
I've
grandpa.
heard married couples say they still watch porn.
Yeah.
Like
They can watch porn together, you know.
to see what's new.
And try out some new positions.
Yeah.
Man, don't even want
Yeah,
class.
it's a good learning experience.
Try to porn together. So watch porn
Never did.
and have sex together.
The old place because the boys is on screen. So good exercise workout.
Going less than 20 miles per hour. Unbelievable.
So we just on the way now first.
Corner? Leave it. I said, what's it? Oh my gosh, man. You can pass.
Try to
Come on, man.
What's coming down?
Leave it. That's very risky.
Alright.
That's very
Overtake
risky.
wrong corner.
Yeah.
Alright.
I now got out. That's how we come
I
around.
respect this shit nowadays.
Yeah.
Let us say that.
I like in the car come around 2 minutes.
No, as in, if it looks clear, it can make it steady.
I know.
You just have to know how fast you can.
Like, in public there is some sensitive stuff.
Huh?
Probably there is some we can't really shape up.
So them small green mango is a black sheep.
Yeah. I've been crushed if I go around that.
Why they going so fast though?
At least there's some smooths.
Yeah, that's the see. Look to your right.
That's what dead looks like. It's parking for it. Really.
Also, Aki.
Okay, what? That was that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Aki. By the time I get Aki, it's well, the time when you get Aki, it's
But that's still David didn't like that.
Huh?
Didn't like that. If you leave a corners, somebody come around.
Sometimes you don't have a choice.
It's risky,
It's risky, but
but I would have
sometimes you don't have a
to,
choice.
I would have to follow him for like probably the next 5 kilometers. Or 2.
Yeah. It's you as a driver for teaching, you know.
Yeah, we have good acceleration.
Yeah.
I don't know how a truck driver drive on the road anymore. Good day.
Yeah, so the big truck now drives slow now, dude.
You know. That's why they usually jackknife around this area.
Yeah, girl.
It's in the bumper there. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't looking.
Live entertainment?
You haven't seen anything yet.
Push a blower. Well, I mean with the horn.
That was about that.
How we come out? Oh, another truck. Oh, gosh.
Is that like the tool they hear said?
Wait! Get into when you come out.
It's not like the tool.
mean, I like it too. But it's butterful.
Any reason why?
Yeah, any reason why?
We have this.
Huh?
Stick to this. Okay, it's so sweet.
Jesus Christ. Yo, yeah.